What's up, YouTube fam? So we're going on a little bit of a morning adventure tomorrow. We're gonna try our luck at fishing the second day after the full moon. So all the rumors out there say that you're not supposed to fish the night of or the morning after or the day after the full moon. So we're gonna try our luck at the second day after the full moon. But if we are successful in this little adventure, then I'm going to try to get together a catch and cook for you guys. I've been trying to pull that one off for a little while. But I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, so this is a few minutes into the fishing trip. I had just thrown a bait and the tape were pretty hungry, so they started biting basically immediately. And the GoPro footage that I was shooting wasn't really usable. You couldn't really see much because it was so dark. So I opted to use this stuff instead. These guys are pretty good size. Fun to catch. Whoa, fighter. Yep, another tape. Looks like it's a invasive morning here. Invasive shootout. I'll take it. Getting rid of the invasives is good. Okay, get rid of my old stuff here. Throw this in my bucket. Okay. On to the next bait. Okay, so attempt number four. This is attempt number 4. This is getting monotonous now. Can't even get to the pole holder before the fish take the bait, so this is getting troublesome. This is the hard part about fishing in the daytime, is the bait stealers are crazy. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Come on, we need a bigger fish to bite this bait, not just these tiny ones. That's why I don't catch any. That's why I'm not hooking anything. Because all these fish are tiny. Oh, that 2-ounce casted pretty far. Okay, this is the last bait that I'm sending because this is turning into just bait steal, bait steal, bait steal. So last bait out. Wish me luck, guys. last bait. Okay, gotta bring this thing in now. So I was saying earlier, the tuta op is if we get this one back, we might be able to eat tuta apes today. Hopefully this doesn't get stuck. Oh, we're getting some action on this pole. The line is all slacked. Okay. Come on, fishies. What's happening? Are you gonna take the hook, or are you just playing with my baits? Playing with it, huh? Alright, unless something gets hooked up, we're gonna continue to break down. Whew. This is the most dreaded part about slide baiting, is breaking your stuff off. Oh, wow. I don't think I have a fish on anymore. I don't think I had bait this whole time. Nope. He's gone. Rubber band's gone too. I must have yanked a little too hard when I was trying to get him out there, because those rubber bands are thin. Oh well, next time. Okay, we're all packed up. We're gonna head home. We got one tapir to take home. The other one we lost when we tried to retrieve it from it being used as bait. We missed one good strike. The pole stopped bending as soon as I got there, unfortunately. But anyways, we're gonna run this catch and cook. So I'll spare you guys all the cleaning and processing of the fish. So we'll just get straight to the frying. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, I told you guys I was gonna spare you the cleaning process, but actually this is the most interesting part. So we got the belly open, and this is what was inside. This is a tiny little crab. I don't know if you can see his pincher there. But it was a tiny crab that was in his belly. It looks like there was a small, some kind of weird shrimp thing, like a baby shrimp. You can see his tail and his weird head thing. I don't even know what that is. Some kind of tiny lobster, shrimp? I'm not sure what that is. Okay guys, here we are in the kitchen. Finally got the fish cleaned up. This is the fruits of our labor this morning. Not very big fruits, not very many fruits, but there is one fruit, or fish. Anyways, so we're gonna score the body. It's always good to score the fish when you're about to fry it. You get more surface area here. The oil can seep into here and fry the flesh inside of there, which makes it taste nice and crispy. We're gonna use, I've never tried this on fish before, but this is the Hawaiian rub. It says we could use it on fish. There's all kinds of weird stuff inside here. But anyways, let's get her on there. I'm gonna do a hefty amount of seasoning here, because this stuff tends to fall off when you throw it in the fryer. So we're gonna season this guy up. We're gonna let the seasoning sit on him for about 5 minutes or so. Make sure you get in the belly too, huh? 5 minutes or so, and then the oil should be heated up by then. It's nice and seasoned. Okay, so I think the oil is about heated up, guys. We were looking for the cover here, but we couldn't find the cover, so we're going with the foil option. Growing up, we used to use foil cover the pan a lot. I don't know if it was a laziness thing or if that was because we just didn't have any lids to the pans. That probably was it. So, fish is well seasoned. Oh, the rice looks like it's about done. Check that fish out. Nice ta'ape. So these guys are in the snapper family, so it should have nice, delicious flesh once it's done. Hey, get that going. So, if you fry these guys long enough, the fins all become like chips. You can eat them and they're real crispy and like chicharrones, I guess. So we're gonna cover this guy for a little while. Hopefully the oil doesn't get everywhere. So now that that fish is in the pan, we are going to make a dipping sauce for the fish. So these are Hawaiian chili peppers that we grew in the backyard. These are a little spicy. Not super spicy, a little spicy. I don't know what I do with my knife. Anyway, this looks good. So these guys, I just like to chop that. I'll chop your finger. And then after I open it up, I like to scrape the seeds out. That way you're not really crunching on anything when you're dipping it in the sauce, you know. So we like to slice these real fine, or as fine as you can. That way you're not taking too much in when you're dipping it in the sauce. And then we'll come across and we'll chop it this way. Okay, that should be enough for the dipping sauce there. So, your bowl. Some ponzu. Oh, it looks like it's time to flip that fish. Ponzu in there. Now throw this in the chili pepper inside, and then we're gonna throw in some chili pepper water that's store-bought. Got popped by that oil, man. So we're gonna pick up all this. Toss it right inside of our sauce. That should be spicy. I don't think the kids should be able to eat this. So I've come to like this this sauce, this LiQWYD sauce. It's pretty good for dipping sauces. I use this because it has a vinegar inside of it and tastes good with the dipping sauce. Turn that down. Yeah, maybe 2 chili peppers is too much, so let's go ahead and put that back inside. This sauce is ready, I believe. Let's pop this guy out. Let's see this. Let's taste this. Yep. Tastes delicious. Ready to go. Now we're just waiting on that fish. So I believe we are done, if not close to being completely cooked on the fish. So this guy looks delicious. I'm ready to eat those little crispy pieces. It's popping everywhere too. Oh my goodness. Let's flip this for you guys. Oh, nice and crispy. Yeah, we're about done, so I'm gonna take it off the fire. I cooked each side 3 minutes, and I cooked it on medium to low. So that is our delicious crispy fish. Can't even speak. I'm My mouth is just watering here. Oh, look at that. These crispy little fins that are just flaking off. You can hear that crunch. Yum. All right, let's get to eating. Okay guys, fish is done. We're gonna eat this. Put some rice inside of this nori here. Then we're gonna take a piece of fish. Gonna dip it inside of our sauce that we made earlier. Maybe a little bit smaller of a piece of fish here. Put it right on our rice. Throw some kimchi in. And eat it just like that. Guys, so we're done cooking the fish. We gave you guys a little bit of a sample. Family's been asking about the fish, so we're gonna let them enjoy the rest of it, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode.